Another good strategy with high accuracy and a completely logical take profit that can bring you a lot of profit, but only if you pay attention to the tips that I mentioned in this video and can execute them correctly. So make sure to watch the video until the end. This strategy works on any symbol and time frame you want to work with. After choosing your symbol, set your time frame to 5 minutes, go to the indicator tab and search for breakout trend follower. This is the first indicator of this strategy, so click on it. Now it needs to be sorted. So go to its settings, in the input tab, apply the changes you see, and in the style tab, keep only the shapes and trend filter MA ticks. Now as you can see, you will see a series of buy and sell signals and also the MA line. When the candles are above the MA line, we realize that we are in an uptrend, and here we can place our buy orders and make a profit. And when the candles are below the MA line, we realize that we are in a downtrend, and we can place our sell orders and make a good profit. Now just go to the indicator tab and add the second indicator. So search for MACD or moving average convergence divergence in the indicator tab and click on it. You will see the signal line, MACD line, and some colored columns. We need to sort them, so go to its settings. In the input tab, change the fast length to 18, slow length to 30, and signal smooth to 7. In the style tab, remove MACD and signal ticks. And make sure that the histogram is in column mode and change the colors to green and red. When the columns on MACD are green, they indicate an uptrend, and we don't consider sell signals at this point. And when the columns are red, they indicate a downtrend, and we don't consider buy signals at these points. The larger the size of the columns, the more powerful they become.
Buy setup.
Here we see a buy signal and a green candle that cross the MA line and change color from red to green on MACD. So this point can be a good entry point for us, and we can place our stop loss below the previous low of the market, and risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. Exactly, I explained. Here we have a good buying position, and you just need to follow my tips and get a reasonable profit. Let's see some examples together.
Sell setup.
Here you can see a sell signal, a red candle that crossed the MA line downwards, and we can see the color change from green to red on the MACD. So this point is a good point to place a sell order, and we can set our stop loss above the previous high of the market, and risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. Although we can make more profit here, the amount I told you is the logical profit of this strategy. As you can see here, we have a sell signal and all the conditions I mentioned are met. So you can place your sell order here and enjoy the profit you make. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ask your question in the comments.